You don't need an eyeshadow palette to give you that soft, simple, quick, easy glam. Highlighters can do the trick. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, hi, hello, and welcome. If you are not new, what's popping, girl? What's popping, boy? Thank you so much for coming back once again. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful soft glam by just using highlighters. Highlighters. And I used one highlighter palette, this, to do my eyeshadow, to highlight inner corner, everything. So if you would like to know how to get this look, like right now, subscribe right now, and keep on watching. Alrighty. Okay, so today I'm not going to be using my typical Instant Age Rewind for my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal today, the shade Medium Bisque. So I'm going to use that for my lid shade because I don't want to use a concealer that's too bright. I actually wanted to use something more flash toned, something closer to my complexion. Take it onto my flat concealer brush from Selfish Cosmetics. Take a shout out, okay? And then I'm gonna, you see the difference? I find it has a bit of a peachy, pinky undertone. More on the peach side than pink. So I make sure it's all over the lid. And then I'm gonna take my Real Techniques, all I know how to use, and buff that onto my eyelid. Oh my gosh, it's so easy to blend. It's like I forgot how easy the Pro Conceal is to blend. So I'm gonna set my eyelid with my Dermablend setting powder. The reason why I'm setting it is because, like I said in my last video, I hate when my concealer creases. Next, I'm gonna take my highlighter. This is from Revlon. I bought this ages. It still works wonders, okay? This Revlon highlighting palette, as you can see, it says here, brush on to enhance complexion for a natural sun-kissed looks. It really looks natural. It's not too loud. It's called Peach Glow. That's the shade. So it has a lot of peach tones, as you can see here. A little line of bronzer, a little gold, that kind of vibe. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush from Selfish Cosmetics and I'm dipping into this one here. The two actually. I'm packing it on first on my mobile lid, and after I've done packed it, I'm going to blend out the edges. You can use any highlighter, yeah? Any highlighter, your favorite, your least favorite because you want it to finish. Any highlighter. So I'm gonna go into the gold one or the yellow one and just go above it. Gives me a really shimmery lid without being too extravagant, without being too loud. You still look pretty. Next, I'm going to take my LA Colors Matte Liquid Liner. It's in the shade black, of course. Now, just like that, my eyes are complete. Done. Nada. It's finished. Finito. El punto final. I know that means full stop, but it's the same concept. I used concealer with my flat brush to help clean up to make sure that my wing is as sharp as possible. I've decided to be a little bit more versatile with this highlighter Peach Glow palette. So Just to give my eye some definition, I'm definitely going to dip into the bronzer shade right here and pack that just into the crease, so that way, you know, easy not. And then you have these peachy colored shades here and this yellow one on the lid, and all this is your highlighter. If you want, you can just use one highlighter shade on your eyes, or you can do what I did. Either way, it's soft, it's beautiful. Y'all gonna see in the end. Y'all are gonna see in the end. So since my face has been primed already, time for me to get my foundation on and everything else, and then the face is complete. I have a PSC. Don't ever let nobody come in your face and tell you lashes do work wonders. Because 1, COVID, you need to be back 6 feet. And 2, look at this. Look at this. You can't tell me that. You lying. God don't like liars, and we don't like liars. Go from here. So what I'm gonna do is just work on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna add the bronzer shade here to my lower lash line. It's not gonna be much. I'm just adding it to the outer area of the eye. And then what I'm gonna do is take my nude Wet n Wild Kohl crayon pencil, and then I'm gonna apply mascara. Let me organize my lips now. I didn't know I do line my lips. What is that? Don't nobody got time for that. My face is complete, and this is what you get using highlighter as eyeshadow. All right, let me fix my, in case you're wondering, this is actually my head right now. I took the extremely light shade here, that is this one right here, and that is what I put in my inner corner. Child, I love this. Honey, hunty, boo boo, I love this. And just like that, the face is beat with a soft glam, only using highlighters. Tell you that Ghana twist from Realistic was amazing. I had no issues with it whatever. There was no snagging, there was no pulling. The hair wasn't even that rumpled or messy. When it was time to take out, I really only took it out because I felt like my hair needed to wash. It was becoming that time, and that's the only reason why I took it out. Plus it was growing out, so it was getting really rumpled at the root. But that was basically it. Other than that, I had no issues with the hair. It was lightweight, it felt soft. I think the price was amazing. Plus the ones that I took out, which was basically the majority, that was still really neat, I decided to save it for another look. I'll probably just wash it and save it to use for something else in the future. But let me tell you, you're definitely getting your money's worth with the fact that I can still reuse the hair. I could have still reinstalled it at another time. That is to tell you how good it was. I had no issues with it whatsoever. And you know, usually when you use synthetic hair, sometimes they may have your scalp itchy, or it may just be getting caught on everything, your clothes, and scratchy on your skin and all of that. But I had zero issues. Okay, organize yourself. So I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it so much. Don't forget to share it with someone that you think might like this look, or would want to achieve this look and would want to know how best they can, or who would want review on the passion twist. Share it, honey, share it. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.